Hey ticklers, welcome back to the Crafting Up New Things show, where we take some great ideas and craft them up with our tiny ticklers. Today we are cleaning up Labubu. She clearly decided to take her overalls to the next level and spend too many days on the farm. Her lashes are trashed, it's time to clean her up. Let's get started. Let's talk materials. We don't need much for this week's activity. To get started, you just need some Q-tips, paper towels. I cut mine into smaller rectangles, some tweezers. I did go with the pointier ones today, and I recommend doing the same just for the work that we'll be doing on Labubu's eyelashes and her eyes. And the last thing you'll need is some coconut oil. I'm trying to be mindful of the vinyl and the paint that's on a Labubu face, so this was the purest thing I could find that I would think is dye-free, and it's an oil that should help remove the adhesive on the eyes. For the first part of this process, you're going to want to grab a paper towel and tuck it into your Labubu as a bib. I want to protect the overalls from getting any oils on them. Once you've done that, you're going to grab your tweezers and we're gently going to peel at any loose edges of the Labubu lashes. So right here, I'm just trying to grab this little edge and just pulling away. Oh wow, this is coming off in like one big chunk. Ooh. Wow. She is really ugly without those lashes. Okay, let's get to the other side. Careful not to scratch your Labubu with this pointed edge of your tweezers. Try and just pull on the lashes. Don't try to go digging at anything at this point. I know it's tempting, but please don't. All right, let's go and keep going. So, fun fact, the video that I posted where we put these lashes on this Labubu, that was actually my first video ever. Never in my entire life have I done something like this before. So it was quite the experience learning how to record, how to edit. Since then, we've made some upgrades. I am trying to make thumbnails now. It's not going so well, but we're trying. I also have made my own jingle, got a new microphone, and I have my workspace back. So I'm hoping my videos and the overall quality and my satisfaction with what I'm making goes up. All right, let's see what else I can get off of this eye line. Just a few more here. So again, try not to pick at the edges if they're still pretty glued on. We'll do that in the next step. Just take off whatever loose hairs or eyelashes that you can. And I think that's about it. All right, next it is time to butter her up. Go ahead and grab that jar of coconut oil and you're going to take a Q-tip and dip it into your coconut oil. Once you have a nice amount on the edge of your Q-tip, go ahead and spread that all over the lash line. Really trying to saturate the area and get the oil into the crevices or those edges that really stayed stuck. Don't be shy to add some pressure on this part. We really want to get as much, ooh, do you see that? Some of the glue's already releasing. Excellent. We really want to get it into those crevices, so just kind of push as much as you need into it. Next, I'm going to wrap my wrap my tweezers into a paper towel. And this will allow me to get a nice pointy edge to start scraping just a little bit. But because it's wrapped, it's not going to damage any of the vinyl or scratch these beautiful little peepers. So once you've rubbed a little bit of the coconut oil in and taken that edge, peel away. And if you saw, that was a big chunk that came off. Work in small sections. This will make sure we don't get too rushed in what we're trying to do. small amounts at a time. Peel off whatever comes off. If you feel like there wasn't enough coconut oil, you can always go back and add a little bit more. Yep, oh, almost. Try again. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my paper towel and just try and wipe away some of the loose pieces that are there. So far, it's looking pretty good. There's still a little bit left. Let's see if I can get this off. There's some of it, a little bit more. Perfect. All right, go ahead and cleaning off any of that extra coconut oil that's left on our face. Whoops, I just took your bib. So sorry. Let me put that back. All right, not too bad. I definitely did not do any damage, but you know what? I'm going to try to use this coconut oil to clean her face. So right here I have a little smudge. I'm going to rub the coconut oil into it and see if it comes off. If I ruin my Labubu, that's fine, but let's see if it works. You know what? I think it did come off. That's pretty exciting. All right, so once you have that step done, go ahead and wipe off any extra of the coconut oil that's still kind of there. And one eye done, one to go. Now we're going to get started with the other eye. If you notice any of those loose edges still, you can try and go for it. Pick a few more off. I think that'll be this might be the best I can do. I feel like it wants to come off, but maybe not. Maybe not. All right, so now you'll want to grab your Q-tip, dip it into your coconut oil, and just like before, spread it into those crevices, really push it in there. Don't be worried about putting too much pressure. We have discovered coconut oil is 100% safe on these Labubu faces. Next, you can take your tweezers, wrap them in that paper towel, or you can go straight for picking out any of those loose. Oh, ooh, look at that. Talk about luck. That came off in one big piece. You'll be able to tell once you've added some of the coconut oil if those edges are loose or if you need to go through and do some careful scraping with your wrapped tweezers. But that's it. We've got it. So again, be gentle. Don't go stabbing at her eyeballs too hard. Add more coconut oil if you need. Once you have most of that off, grab a clean paper towel and just wipe off any extra coconut oil or residue from the eye. And there you have it, ticklers. A clean, ugly, lashless Labubu. If you like what we're doing here, please like and subscribe. I try to post at least weekly, and if there's something I'm missing here that you really would like to see me try on my Labubu before you try on yours, drop it down in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Otherwise, see you next time, ticklers.